Sairam children, today we will start our class by chanting Omkar thrice. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Om, Om, Om. Sairam children, today we will start the poem The Balloon Man. I will explain you. First we will recite the poem, then I will explain you. So let's see the PDF. Does a balloon man visit your market? Let's see what this balloon man brings with him. So you have seen balloons, okay? Now we will recite the poem, The Balloon Man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. There are red and purple, blue and green, and when it's a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high and stand them and, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. This is the poem. This is written by Rose Kleiman. Now I will explain you one by one. The summary of the poem is this is the story of a balloon seller. Okay, he carries lots of balloons with him. The balloons are all tied with a string. He has so many colors of balloons: red, purple, blue, and green. Some are big and some are small. The poet thinks that someday he will lose all the balloons and let them go. And he says that then we will stand and watch them from below, that is sailing high in the sky. How pretty it will look in a bunch. The bunch of balloon looks beautiful with so many colors. So this is all the summary, but I will explain you one by one. So he always comes on market days and holds balloon a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. This means the balloon man comes in the market on all market days and he holds a bunch of lovely balloons. He stands at the corner of the market and he is very busy to sell his balloons. He never thinks it's time for lunch. He never thinks that it is time and I am hungry, I will take lunch. Because he is busy in selling his balloons. Next is they are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away. In this stanza, he says that he has red, purple, blue, and green balloons. And when it is very sunny day means bright, it's very hot, and the market is crowded, and the carts and people come in between the balloon man, that time also we can see his balloons shining from far away. Now come to the third stanza, children. And some are big and some are small and tied together with a string. And if there is a all wind at all, they tug and tie like anything. This means that he has balloons. Some are big and some are small. All the balloons are tied together, and when there is a wind, there is a strong wind, all the balloons tug and tug as they want to relieve from this balloon man. Okay. Now come to the fourth stanza and last stanza. Someday, perhaps, he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. In this stanza, the poet says that someday he will lose all the balloons and let them go and sail in the sky, and we all will stand and watch from below the wonderful scene, the pretty balloons all in a bunch from below. So this is all about the explanation. And now come to new words and meaning of the words. Lovely. Lovely means very beautiful. Bunch, a group of anything like flowers, keys, banana, grapes, etc. Okay. Third, market. Market is a regular gathering place for buying and selling goods. In a market, you can see balloon man, vegetable seller, fruit seller, and so many things. Okay. Now come to fourth, cart. Cart is a vehicle for carrying people or goods, like bullock cart. You have seen Tonga also. It is also a cart. Okay. Now fifth one is string. String means threads twisted together to a thin length. You must have seen thread. In that thread, if you separate the string, you can see so many threads twisted together. Okay, that is string. Now, sixth is tug. Tug means pull with great effort. Seven, square. An open area surrounded by building. Sunny. Sunny means bright sunlight. Sailing means move smoothly. Sailing means anything sailing in air also is called sailing. Sailing boat is also sailing in water. Boats and ships sail in water, and the balloon sail in air or the sky. Okay. Now come to next is activity. One activity is draw and color a balloon man holding a bunch of colorful balloons and some children around him. Two, three children standing around him looking at the balloons. We all like balloons. How colorful it is. Like that we think. So you have to imagine a balloon man. If you have books, you can see the balloon man and you can draw two, three children also around him. Some are buying, some are standing and looking at the balloons. Okay, now come to rhyming words. Rhyming words means this is also word building. In last lesson also we have done rhyming words. What is the use of rhyming words? We can know so many words having the same sound, same rhythm. So let's read the rhyming words. First is day, way, say. Day, way, say. Second, bunch, lunch, crunch. Bunch, lunch, crunch. Third, sunny, bunny, funny. Third, sunny, bunny, funny. Fourth, tug, mug, bug. Tug, mug, bug. Five, like, bike, mic. Like, bike, mic. Sixth, sail, hail, bail. Sail, hail, bail. Seven, look, book, took. Look, book, took. Eight, see, be, fee. See, be, fee. Nine, let, bet, set. 10, cart, dart, part. Cart, dart, part. Now, children, this is for today's class. Stay happy, stay healthy. Sai Ram.